Watch me give my crochet hooks a glow up using silicone beads. I am super picky with my crochet hooks and I can only crochet with clovers. Clover doesn't exactly offer any super cute crochet handles, and I saw a few Etsy listings with aesthetic crochet handles using silicone beads and decided to give it a shot myself. I started by removing the existing silicone handle by pressing downwards on a notebook to make sure that I protected my table. Once I got to the flat part of the silicone handle, or the thicker part, I used a non-slip oven mitt to get it the rest of the way off. Now it's time for the fun part. So I got these silicone beads on Amazon and I decided to choose one bead that was flat to mimic where my thumb would normally go, and also the flat part of the original silicone crochet hook handle. Next, I organized the beads in the order that I wanted to place them on my handle. Then, all I did was slide the beads onto the crochet hook handle. Thinking back on this, I probably should have slid this bead on from the other direction of my hook because it had less of a distance to go. Also, notice that when I'm sliding on my beads, I'm not pushing directly on top of my hook. I don't want to accidentally poke myself in the hand because that would hurt and we don't want that. Now I'm going to make a little crochet swatch to make sure that I like how it feels, and I can honestly say that I am obsessed with this little hack. I also like that I can change the style or color of the beads whenever I want. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you'd try it yourself, let me know.